Hi, welcome back to Moose Chemistry. This is gases, Dalton's Law or partial pressure introduction. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Dalton's Law. So what is Dalton's Law of partial pressure? Well, Dalton's Law of partial pressure is pretty simple and very basic. He said that the total pressure is equal to the partial pressures of each individual gas within that gas sample. So in other words, total pressure equals P1 plus P2 plus P3, etc. for any additional gases. So in essence, what we're saying is the sum of each gas is a part of the total pressure of that gas. Well now, are there any practical applications for Dalton's Law of partial pressure? And the answer to that is also yes. For example, in scuba diving, when you go into scuba diving, if you dive below 218 feet, you're going to experience oxygen toxicity. So how do we eliminate oxygen toxicity or lessen it? Well, we mix oxygen with another inert gas, such as nitrogen, to make a substance called nitrox. Well, the deeper you go, the more nitrogen you're going to have and less oxygen you're going to have. Because remember that if you have a lot of oxygen, you will suffer from oxygen toxicity. Anesthesia. Anesthesia, when you get in surgery, is extremely important to make sure that you have the correct mixture of gases and that anesthesia to keep you asleep. So Dalton's partial pressure is used with anesthesia. And last but not least, distillation of mixed gases. Yes, you can separate mixed gases apart by chilling them down and removing them at their different temperatures of cooling. However, it's also important to remember that with this distillation of mixed gases, you could also use Dalton's Law of partial pressure to determine what was the actual percent of that particular gas to the total pressure of that gas. Well, if you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose Chemistry!